Hi, I'm Nat, and tonight I'm going to be making keto-friendly vanilla and cinnamon chocolate cookies or macaroons. They are sugar-free and flourless, made with ground almonds, and they taste absolutely amazing. So let's get started, shall we?
That kiss goodnight was more than friends, and then before we knew it, we went head first into it. Oh baby, I remember when.
And how the years went rushing by. Been so happy I could cry. Who knew when we first started, with expectations guarded, that our love could never die.
So many people tried, thinking that they could fly, but they can't get off the ground. They hit a bumpy road, and they begin to fold, and then they simply go down. But we started something, started with you, started something. Yes, we started something. Yes, I really started something with you.
Two blessings born out of our love.
That's our daughter and our son. She seems so much like you. What is there he can't do now?
So much ahead left to be done.
Each step along the way, I know he'll be okay, as long as you're by my side. I wonder where I'd be if you weren't here with me, with your heart open wide. Yes, we started something with you, started something, something with you, started something. Yes, I really started something with you, started something, started with you, started something. Guess we didn't see it then. That kiss goodnight was more than friends. Once in a while, you might just hear it as the spring is trying to work its way back after a long, hard winter. You might hear that ice breaking up, and that's what we call the Shepaug thunder.
Right, so now this is going to go into my oven at 180 degrees for the next 12 minutes or so until they're golden brown. And once they're done, I'm going to leave them on the baking tray to cool down a little bit, because this is a very soft cookie and you don't want it to fall apart. And Once it's set a little bit, you put it onto a wired rack and let it cool completely. You transfer it to your refrigerator and let it really cool down, and you have a really lovely, solid, crispy cookie or macaroon, and it is absolutely scrumptious and to die for. Such an amazing indulgence. Right, into the oven they go. Right, the cookies are almost ready, and once they come out of the oven, I'm just going to leave them in the baking tray to cool down, and then I'm going to transfer them to the wired rack and let them cool down even further. And once they're completely cooled down, I'm going to put them in my fridge and let them set, so when you bite into it, it's going to be a really crunchy cookie. And it's such a versatile basic recipe. You can make anything with it, really. You can use it to make chocolate cookies. You can just add cocoa powder to it. You can add coconut to it. You can sprinkle some pecan nuts on top. You can make it with orange essence, hazelnut essence, really give it a different flavor each and every single time. It's just such a basic recipe, and it's really great. And once you've had these, you'll never want another biscuit or a cookie or macaroon ever again. They really are that scrumptious. If you have a minute, please hit the subscribe and the like button below so you don't miss out on all the recipes that's going to be coming over the next few weeks. I'm going to be making stuff like homemade chocolate, homemade strawberry, vanilla and blueberry ice cream that's sugar-free, for instance, and completely keto-friendly. I'm also going to be doing meal preps to show you how I put shortcuts in place to speed up my cooking process. I also want to give a shout out to Daniels and Durkee. That's the music that's been playing in the background as you've been watching this video. If you like the music, go down to the description bar and you'll see there's a link that takes you to SoundCloud and you can listen to the music for free. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and thanks for watching.
Fools around here, well, they all have an inkling what their Shepaug